Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very hot day. It's now almost 6 o'clock in the evening and it's still 33 degrees centigrade. So I'm cleaning up my seating area here. It's the beach basket and it's positioned southeast, but I have a lot of trees around, big trees, a sequoia, and then I have a maple tree and the ornamental spruce and some other shrubs here. So this is actually the only place where we can stay outside and enjoy a cool drink. All our sitting areas are just too hot to enjoy right now. The beach basket is full of spider webs, so I'll be vacuuming it and then just wiping it with a damp cloth. And then I can start enjoying this area. I had been looking for white flowering annuals and perennials around the garden because I'd like to decorate around the beach basket that I just cleaned up yesterday. This one is a spider flower plant. There are probably 8 plants in there, so I can take some out. This one is an African daisy that came back from last year, and I'm pretty sure that this is a white flowering one. So I can take this one out too and transfer it in a pot. I also took out some creeping Charlie from the front container here. So these are the plants that I'd like to use to decorate around the beach basket. I'd like to use whites and greens. I just bought this hydrangea to add to my hydrangea garden, but I will be transplanting it in probably fall, late fall, so I can still use it here. And I also bought these white flowering annual. It looks like an aster. And this one. I just transferred them in bigger pots so they can grow better. And I also put some organic fertilizer.